Okay, so I'm Carson. I used Pop on Smiles. Um, I got these because my teeth are pretty bad. I'm not gonna show my actual teeth, but these are the molds of what I was working with, top, bottom. My girlfriend recommended, said, hey, we should try this. I had tried other companies in the past, and they basically told me there was nothing they could do. So I was not hopeful, but figured it's worth a shot. We'll see. From the time I said, let's do it, within a week or so, I had my impression kit. Making the impressions wasn't too terrible. It's better if you actually follow the instructions and do like the video they provide says. It doesn't take that long. I think it took me maybe half hour altogether for 3 mold. They send you 3 mold templates, and then you make your molds. That was pretty easy. Then you send it back, and they say 2 to 4 weeks. I want to say I got my veneers back just at the 2-week mark, so it was a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. I honestly was not hopeful that they would fit or look good, but I am and was thoroughly impressed. I'm extremely happy, got my confidence back. I like being able to actually smile now. Definitely a huge confidence booster. So, the tooth prior I showed, I'll do this one. They are easy to pop on and off. It fits like to the T, exactly how it should fit. It snaps right in. That's on my mold. But snaps right in. I mean, they're insanely easy. Hear it, pop it, snap, good to go. It literally couldn't be any better as far as fitment, finish. I'm also a smoker, and I was kind of worried about them staining, but so far so good. I did the natural white, not the Hollywood white, because I didn't think it would look real or as real. But overall, extremely happy with the Pop on Smiles. They fit great. They feel great. I got my confidence back. I couldn't be happier. So thank you, Pop on Smiles, and hopefully it works out for you too.